What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse my crazy hair. I'm deep conditioning, so I just threw it in some braids. But today we are going apartment decor shopping. I figured the first rooms that I wanted to get done, I would just do the easiest one. So I'm gonna do the 3 bathrooms and the kitchen first. So that is what we are going to be doing today. Let's go. But first, food. Buffalo cauliflower will always be a thing. If you haven't tried buffalo cauliflower, you're seriously missing out. Seriously, like, whatever you do this week, find you some cauliflower, some buffalo cauliflower, barbecue, whatever your flavor is, and try it. You will not be disappointed. All right, first stop, Home Goods. Yes, I love Home Goods. Let's do this thing, guys. Is this like
memory foam?
Yeah, but it kind of looks, does it look lavender or does it look like silverish?
A little bit of both.
Like, depends on which angle it's at, huh? Okay, let's try to find like some blue bathroom decor for the upstairs bathroom. Oh,
I like that.
blue crystal. That's pretty. Wasn't it fun? It's really pretty. Made in
Brazil.
Yeah.
Like this one.
That's beautiful. Which one do you think would look better in that bathroom? This one for sure.
Yeah.
Some matches. See the little sparkles in it. Look how pretty this is. I love crystals. I'm obsessed with crystals. Should we get a cart?
Yeah.
What do you feel about this thing? So I really want to get these two because I want like the lavender theme in the master bathroom, but I can't find 2 that match. And I went to 2 stores yesterday and I couldn't find 2 that match. And now I'm at Home Goods and I still can't find any that match. But I'm gonna keep trying. I think I like this one better because it's like darker. I don't know, but the pots, they just don't freaking match. I think I might have found my lavender flowers that I'm looking for. 2 matching ones. Yes! They match, right? Yep. Yay! Okay. This color is one that I was really wanting. You see the difference between like this purple and then this one? This one's more of like a bluish, kind of like a grayish. I don't know. So I ended up putting the 2 flower pots back because they just weren't lavender enough for me. They weren't the color scheme that I'm envisioning in my head for my master bathroom. So we're gonna go to another place. All the places that I'm gonna go to are like Ross, Marshalls, Home Goods, Bed Bath. What else? I don't want to go to the expensive places like Pier 1 and Kirkland's and the stuff that charges crazy for no reason. And I also don't want to go online because I'm impatient. Super impatient, and I want everything right now. So, and then of course there's always like the hassle of getting it, and then it's not the same as what you thought it was or as it looked in the picture, so then you gotta send it back, and it's just too much for me. I don't got the time. So I think we should go to Ross or Marshalls. Marshalls, second stop.
Crazy.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, they have so many. Okay. Okay. I'm excited. Could go with the marble look or these ones. With 2 next to each other, would that be like too much? No? Let me see. But these don't go together. Those don't really go together either. What about these? I don't know how I feel about this. It's not that cute.
Boom. 2 of those for sure.
These two, huh?
Yeah.
I think these are the best ones too. I like these. Because I also kind of like the ashy look.
Yeah, I like that.
Do these pots go together?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta hide those real quick because I don't want no one to try to take them. We gonna go to Ross next door. See if they got some that I could match them with before I buy those. So, let's go. Oh, these are only $4. Okay, let me see. So if I did it like, this would be for the upstairs guest bathroom since it's like that bluish turquoise color. Oh, I got a cramp. Ow. Okay. So if I like did it like this, I probably wait. Let me do it neat.
Ain't this life perfect? I just woke up and drank a cup full of purpose. I've been feeling calm when this life is a circus. I believe in me now, before I was worthless.
Like that? Tied around it?
Yeah, or silver.
Or silver. Yeah, silver would look nice. Oh, an update. We didn't find any matching pots here at Ross, but we got towels, so that's good. So I just found some really cute lavender towels. Just like some little accent towels for the master bathroom. I think we'll tie in very nicely. I really just need to find some rugs. I think it'll be kind of hard to find lavender rugs if I'm being really honest. Because everywhere I went, I didn't see anything. So I finally found a lavender bath mat, but the only problem is there's just one of them. Oh my goodness. The struggle, the struggle. So I'm back home now and look at all of the stuff I got. That's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do a quick like haul for you guys to show you guys everything. And then I'm going to set everything up. Dang, my forehead is so dang big. I'm gonna set everything up and then show you guys how everything looks. But okay, so I guess I'll start off with all of the things that I got for the upstairs guest bathroom. And I got these towels, which you guys seen in my vlog. I also got these white towels to like go with it to make it decorative. And I got some cute ribbon that I'm gonna tie around those somewhere in here. I also, okay, so this is the stuff that I got the prior day. I got a blue shower curtain that also is like the same like kind of shade of blue. I got these bath rugs, which are a little bit darker, but it's okay because it ties in with everything. And then I got some shower rods for the shower curtain. So this, wow. Okay. This is a vase, which is also gonna go upstairs in the bathroom. And I got some cute little floral arrangements to go in that, which is gonna be really cute. Goes with the whole theme. And then I also got some like clear dispensers, like soap dispensers and a lotion dispenser. And then to go in those, I got a blue soap just because it'll match. Like when it's in here, it's gonna look blue. So that'll be nice. Am I recording? And then I also got like a blue lotion for the other dispenser, which I'll show you guys that once it's completed. Okay. Oh, and then I got this vase that's gonna go downstairs in that guest bathroom, and I got some pink, pops of pink with it, and then this huge thing. I don't even know what this is called, but it's like a bouquet. Yeah, I don't know, but This is gonna go in that corner, and I'll show you guys all that when that's set up. And then I got some pictures. These are gonna go in the bathroom as well with the blue, whole blue theme. I got that one, and then I got this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I think that's everything for that bathroom. Is that everything? Oh, I also got these to go in that bathroom as well. And then that crystal that I got from Home Goods, which I don't know where that's at, but you guys remember that. And then for the master bathroom, Nala, go lay down. Nala, lay in your bed. Go lay in your bed. Good girl. And then in the master bathroom, I got these two pictures because I want to keep it like very earthy, but also like a touch of lavender in there as well. So I got these two pictures, which I think they're so cute, and they're like really minimalistic, but like also, I don't know, they have character, I guess. Yeah, I also got this flower arrangement, which is just gonna go in the master bathroom next to the lavender flower arrangement. And I believe that is everything.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
So this is the finished look. I think I'm gonna end up adding an extra picture right there because I don't really like how bare that wall is, but this is the look. This I got that from Ross actually a very long time ago when I first moved to LA. So I have two of those, one right there, one right here, and then this is the vase with the flower arrangement. I got the crystal that I got today from Home Goods, a candle that my mom gave me, and then this was the soap and the lotion that I got from, all of this is actually from Home Goods. And then this is from Home Goods as well. This is just, a lot of these are just things that I've had for a very long time in my previous bathroom. So yeah, and then these I also just got from Ross, and then the towels I also got from Ross. These little decorative towels, I've had them before in my other bathroom, so I just put this little arrangement together. I got some ribbon and just, you know, I got a picture up there. We got the rugs, and then we got this picture right here. I might add something right here. I don't know if that would be too much of a clutter, but yeah.
life perfect. I just woke up and drank a cup full of purpose. I've been feeling calm when this life is a circus. I believe in me now before I was worthless.